One fine day I came home and found some boards in my mail. From a really nice guy named Nick. Thanks Nick, I very much appreciate it. And today I will show you how I solder those. I still do a lot of hand soldering using a conventional soldering iron and strain solder, but today I will use paste. And to apply that paste I need a stencil, of course, and I came up with this thing. It's just a piece of plywood with some obsolete boards glued onto it. I use that to hold everything in place while I apply the solder paste. So I put this in the corner so it can't move. I take some more boards. They can be the same, but they don't have to, as long as they share the thickness. And then this goes on top. Then I have to figure out where exactly it goes, which is harder if you have a camera in the way. And then hold it in place with some adhesive tape. Some more tape on top, and it won't move on me while I apply the paste. Once it is done, I can apply the solder paste. Solder paste has limited shell life, so it usually spoils before I can use all of it, so I tend to apply it rather generous. Okay, that's it. Let's see what we got. The result isn't perfect, but it isn't that bad either. Very usable, I'd say. Now comes the real work, placing the components. Okay, now the same with the second board. Okay, I'm done with the second board. I'm liking one of those 1 nanofarad capacitors. Can't find it. Maybe I lost it. Maybe it wasn't here in the first place. Anyway, I have to get another one and fix that. But otherwise, I'm done with the two boards. For soldering I use this old pan. I don't know how hot it is, it's just not hot enough to melt the solder, but hot enough to heat up the PCBs. As a last step, it remains to solder the display, the rotary encoder and the connectors. That's what I'll do next. Now this is the final result. Two user interfaces ready to use.